Hey, welcome to Lawnmower Care. Today we have a good one. We have a Troy built that we found for $50. 7-speed transmission. It's been sitting, so it's got a lot of leaves and debris. 17.5. He can't remember the last time it ran. So that should be indication to check everything. So that's what we'll do. We'll go through everything and see what we can fix, and hopefully we can resurrect it. I have some extra rims and tires. It needs a battery. It does have a little bit of dings here and there, but it's got a nice spring-loaded PTO. Deck height, fast and slow. Pretty basic tractor. It shouldn't take too long to get going. Seems to be in pretty good condition for, what we're going to be looking to do, which is clean it up, get it running and cutting, and move on to the next one. Anyway, let's get into it. Anyway, we took out that really nasty filter, and we're going to clean everything up, but I have a spare carburetor, and just for a quick test, I threw some gas in it, but nothing really fired over, so I imagine if I change out this carburetor real quick, it'll give me a real good indication if this motor has any fire or anything. Just, going through the process of checking for spark, which we have, and we got air down, so we want to make sure the gas is going through and give it an opportunity to start. So by using a carburetor I know that works, will probably put us in a better position for a running engine. So let's get into it. I have many videos on how to remove this and put this back together, so I'm just gonna go ahead and switch it out and see what we got. Okay, so we switched out the carb. 10 millimeter or 3/8, I think. Took the 4 bolts off, and then we used the 7/16 for these 2 bolts, and then a 1/4 inch to remove these 2 rods. Carburetor slides off, you switch your choke and your throttle, and plug in your carb. And then we'll give it a test. Plug in that little solenoid there. We're gonna go for first start here. We're gonna choke it. Anyway, we went to go and change the oil and just do basic tune-up, new spark plug, and the end fell off of this. So I had another used one hanging out, so I threw her on. But yeah, this was the easy one. This was just a gas line, spark plug, oil change, battery. We'll put the air filter and cover on it and clean all the leaves and everything out of it. But yeah, it took a little bit to get dialed in, and this is what we do. We got fresh grass blades just hanging out here, so this is what we enjoy doing. A $50 machine, you know, it's turned into a running, driving, moving, you know, unit. So just wanted to show it doesn't take much to get them going. A little bit of patience and a couple parts, and you can save yourself from buying a new mower. Anyway, you've been watching Lawnmower Care. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.